answer. Look at the state here. You can give me some of their time also, because they've been derailed.
See,
Sir,
don't take their time. They will demand something in return.
This government is talking to us about cooperative federalism. But unfortunately, they are talking about cooperative federalism, but if you look at the way they are approaching the railways on one or two issues, they are killing federalism, sir. Because even the BJP MP first, not me, the BJP MP who spoke today first suggested to his minister, please complete the existing projects. Mr. Railway Minister, your own MP from the backbench is suggesting to you to complete the existing projects. I'm also telling you the same thing. I disagree with you on everything, but since he's saying complete, so complete. So why aren't you completing the existing projects in Bengal? You are going to tell me you cannot complete the existing projects in Bengal because you gave us so many thousand crores. But you look at the percentage of what you have given. Don't look at the real numbers. Look at the percentage of the completion of the projects. This is the first. Number two, you have been going on and on and on in the House, also outside of the media, about SPVs, about special purpose vehicles. I'm beginning to wonder whether the SPVs are special purpose vehicles or are they Suresh Prabhu vehicles. Because, sir, there's a basic problem. Your intention is good, but I'll tell you where your basic problem is, and you must consider what I'm going to suggest. For the special purpose vehicles which you're suggesting you set up a special purpose vehicle where for each project it will be dissolved after the project finishes, right? Now the problem is the funding. You want the state to fund. Of course, some states can fund, but there are debt-stressed states, like my state Bengal, Punjab, Haryana. We are debt-stressed. We are paying interest for no fault of ours. That's why the CPM got thrown out of there, so we have to work on the interest. We have increased taxes in our state in the last 3 years without increasing taxes, but we've increased revenue by 105%. How? We've collected more taxes. So please, when you're suggesting these SPVs, it's not a good suggestion because it's not a level playground. So when you're talking about federalism, when you're talking about cooperative federalism, sir, you have to do this. And my neighboring state, Orissa, neighbor is also here. You please study what happened with POSCO and an SPV there. It has run into all kinds of problems and it is not the best. So the message I want to leave you is with two. One, like your MP said in the beginning, you complete the existing projects. You haven't announced new projects? Fair enough. Complete the existing projects. Do not deprive states which are debt-stressed and Bengal and this SPV. Try it once or twice somewhere else. It's going to fail in 6 months and then come back to normal. Because you cannot be talking in a speech saying that you're giving more money to the states from 32%, 42%. But in reality, you are not. Please, Mr. Railway Minister, we urge you to consider these points in the next, either in your response, which you cannot do, I understand that, but please do this as soon as possible. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Derek O'Brien.